Have you ever wanted to make a presentation about Gandalf? Here, you will learn how to do it. Start by opening new PowerPoint presentation, copy-pasting your Gandalf image, and resize it while holding Ctrl key. The image should be rather lighter color. Insert a new rectangle shape and cover with it the bottom half of the slide. The insert section also has a text box that will contain the title. Let's put it on top of the rectangle. Everyone should know that this is the title. Select some bold font, enlarge it, and center it in the middle. It's time to merge shape and the title. Select the shape first, then the title. Open Shape Format, click on Merge Shapes and then Combine. Now the shape is ready to add a gradient. Right-click on Shape and open Format Shape. Remove an outline and fill the rectangle with gradient color. To make it look good, make a gradient starting from the bottom that goes from black color to black color. Set the transparency of the top color to 100% and the transparency of the bottom color to 20%. You should also move the bottom color slider so that your title isn't transparent as well. Insert new text box that will contain slide text. Choose font add size that best fits to your presentation and is nicely readable by the viewers. The description must be white color, so it has a nice contrast with the gradient shape. In Home section, open the selection pane. While holding Ctrl key, select Description and Shape. Use the right click and choose Group these two together. Group will help to apply fly-in animation on whole bottom slide. You can also adjust the animation duration and set animation start after previous slide. Finally, let's look on the result. That's all everyone. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe.